Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming key prerequisites: an unlocked bootloader, USB debugging enabled, and a full backup of your data. Plug the device to your PC and verify it appears with a DB devices. If it does not, install drivers and retry. Once connected, run a DB shell to get a root or elevated shell if you have it. At this point, you're ready to identify the package name for the system launcher. Use PM-list packages to find it so you can remove it safely. Now you remove the launcher package. First, confirm the exact package name using PM-list packages with grep for launcher keywords. Accuracy matters. Then run a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 package. Name to disable it for the current user, which is reversible. If the launcher is a true system app and uninstall fails, you will need root to remount /system readwrite and remove the APK from /system/privapp or use a dedicated root. Finish by installing and setting an alternative launcher before rebooting to avoid a broken home experience. You can set it with start Android. Intent. Action. Main C Android. Intent. Category. Home. Once done, reboot the device and test navigation and default home behavior. If something goes wrong, boot loop, crashed UI, use the troubleshooting tip. Boot into recovery and restore your DB backup or sideload the backed up system image. Make sure to keep device logs, logcat, to diagnose persistent faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.